Oh yeah, good job, Justin, baby boy.
Oh, there's Gate over there. Make fun of.
And these are Kingley's Justin jerseys. There you go. And there you go, the new import. This is the new import of LG Sakers Terry